62 liter per second. Six-meter height. The pump. .62 liters per second. This is what we wanted to show it to you, that after switching off of the motor, still the pump runs. This is what is the technology. For this, we'll be getting in 1 megawatt, we'll be getting so much of water pumped in that most of the farmers in this sector, wherever there is requirement of energy, they will be beneficial. The government of India and the farm sector will benefit through this technology. Wherever we want, we can generate electricity in standalone energy storage systems. Standalone energy storage systems is the very important aspect for power generation in a limited area with unlimited energy. See here, you can see the pump is getting rotated. The pump is pumping water and the flywheel is getting rotated. See, in this angle you can see both the things very clearly. So this is my workshop where we are doing it, and you can see simultaneously this thing is getting this way. So this is the most beneficial thing for the farm sector. Kindly understand. Where there is no electricity, we can pump water. We don't require solar, we don't require wind, we don't require thermal, we don't require nuclear, we don't require biogas, biomass or dam or any other technology. This is a technology where it supersedes all the technologies, and still you are having in a positive area that without taking any input, the electricity what we are generating is, once the motor is switched off, after the motor is getting switched off, still it is running. That is what we wanted to show to you. This is the innovation. This is the real innovation, where there is no solar, there is no wind, there is no thermal, there is no hydro, there is no nuclear, there is no biogas, biomass. Whatever technologies you are speaking is of no use in this regard. This is a farmer friendly, nation friendly, atmosphere friendly, nature friendly and free electricity. This is what the system is. We are going to take this to the next level. If we are getting an opportunity to contest in the participation, and then if the people understand it positively, then India will grow very, very fast. We can challenge any country. No country is having this technology, and this is patented technology. This is a purely patented technology, having fully copyright system. So I'm switching off this because it will take another 4 minutes for this video. So it is better to switch off. That's what I'm saying. I'm thinking, but okay.
జీరో అయిపోయాయి కదా, ఆల్ జీరోస్. జీరోస్ ఇది ఆఫ్ చేస్తాను.
13-ton weight flywheel, 2 meter in dia, is getting rotated at 280 rpm after the motor is switched off. Kindly understand. the motor is switched off. The motor is switched off. Okay, and you can see the pump. The pump is there, 6 meter on the top, and the discharge is here. The pump is running after the motor is switched off. So this is what we want to show it to you, that after the motor is getting switched off, the flywheel is continuing to run and rotate and discharge its stored energy to rotate the generator. And here the pump is discharging 62 liters per second water to 70 liters per second. In between 62 and 70 liters per second is the discharge. So this is what we are saying, and this will be the most essential thing for you to understand, that after the discharge, after the pump is getting switched off. Switch off chese adi meeda bulb
అది మెయిన్ షార్ట్ ఉంది అనేది.
Yeah. So the system is completely switched off. There is no completely switched off. It is completely switched off. There is no energy sending into the motor. So there is no energy, but still the flywheel is getting rotated. The 30 kilowatt motor shaft is also connected to the flywheel and is getting rotated. So this is what we want to show it to you. After switching off the motor and after switching off the system, still it is rotating and still it is getting the energy. You can see here, still the energy generated from the motor, from the generator, is getting supplied to the pump, and the pump is pumping the water. Okay, still the water is coming. It will come to 4 minutes. Please understand, after the switching off of the motor, the generator continues to rotate and generate electricity to rotate the motor pump, and then the water is getting continuously from the 7.5 kilowatt pump to generate this system. And then now we will be connecting the load of the, now the pump is switched off and we are connecting, the flywheels are rotating. Okay, the motor is switched off, and then we are connecting it to the 10 kilowatt load resistance, that is resistive load. And after the switching off of the motor, still it is generating electricity, you can see, and for 4 minutes the pump is rotated, and now the 10 kilowatt, that is 20 bulbs of 500 watt each, is a resistive load on this system, and it is continuously generating electricity to make the 500 watt 20 bulbs glow in a full-fledged way. And you can see it is full glow, and the flywheel is rotated. After the switching off of the motor, it is more than 6 minutes the energy is getting discharged. This is what we wanted to say to you. Please understand, after the switching off of the motor, we are able to generate enough electricity. So this is the technology. This is called free electricity. The motor is switched off. There is no electricity in passing into the motor, and now still the flywheel is rotated, and still you can see the full glow of the 20 bulbs in this system. So for 4 minutes the pump is switched on, and after that it is switched off. Now 2 minutes are over for the bulbs, and still the energy is getting generated. In this way, we are able to convey to you that after switching off of the motor input electricity, for nearly 6 to 7 minutes or 8 minutes this will come. And this is a rim type, this is a disc type flywheel, 1 by 4 mr square, E is equal to 1 by 4 mr square. So when this is turned into a rim type, it is 1 by 2 mr square. So thereby free electricity will come for 12 minutes. This is what we are going to explain, and this is what you can come and see physically. After the switching off of the motor, still the flywheel is getting rotated and the moment of inertia is there, and still we are able to show you the glow of the 20 bulbs. Thank you.